Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the Huffy so you can reach the rear axle comfortably. Put it on a stand or flip it gently. You then grab a 10 mm wrench and an adjustable wrench to loosen the axle nut 1/2 turn. This reduces tension and prevents sudden drops. Once done, remove any cotter pins or clips with a Phillips screwdriver or pliers, making sure to keep track of small parts. This opening step lets you access the training wheel bracket and assess wear. Next, you align the training wheel bracket on the axle and slide it into the axle slot so the wheel sits parallel to the bike wheel. Make sure to use the correct spacer or washer to create about 3 to 5 millimeters of clearance from the frame. This prevents rubbing and frame stress. Once aligned, start the nut by hand until finger tight, then use the 10 mm wrench to snug it. Don't over-tighten yet, so the bracket can pivot slightly for final adjustments. Finish by fully tightening the axle nut to secure the bracket, but stop before over-torquing. You want it firm yet not stress-inducing. Then spin the training wheel and rear tire to confirm alignment and look for rubbing or wobble. If the wheel wobbles, loosen the nut just enough to realign the bracket and red-ighten. Make sure the wheel spins freely and the child's wheel height matches the opposite side. If problems persist, recheck spacers and axle threads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.